Beautiful things don't ask for attention.
It's V-La-Nessa, V-La-Nessa, V-La-Nessa. It's V-La-Nessa, V-La-Nessa, V-La-Nessa's world. It's your girl.
Alright guys, so this is my little table setup. I have my camera right here, my steamer, the stuff that I'll be using on my face. I missed the products I want to show you soon. I have my soap. I'm gonna put all of these stuff in the bio down below so you can follow along and use these products. So I've been using the Idol soap for years, and I've tried using something else, did not work for me, but I realized that this worked for me. So first you're gonna see me taking that soap, lathering it in my wet hands, and gently place it on my face using a circular motion for about 30 seconds. Now the Idol soap is good for cleansing, removing dirt, oil and impurity from your skin, leaving it clean and refreshing. While cleansing my face, I use my exfoliating brush. I make sure it's clean and moist but not soaking wet. I use gently upward circular motion to exfoliate my skin, paying attention to the area that might need it the most, like the T-zone. So an exfoliating brush helps to physically remove dead cells and promote circulation, giving your skin a smoother and more radiant appearance. After that, I rinse off my face with warm water and wash my exfoliating brush and pat my face dry with a clean and soft towel. So here we have the ordinary peeling solution. I apply a thin, even layer of ordinary peeling solution to my dry skin. I'm careful to leave it on for no more than 10 minutes, and you will see at the end that I actually use a timer. Once the timer is up, I rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat my face dry. Now, it is important to note that the brush that I used before was a very soft and delicate exfoliated brush, so it didn't really irritate my skin. And when you use this serum or this formula, it will give you a tingling feeling. This is a chemical exfoliant that contains AHA and BHA. It helps to remove dead skin cells, improve skin texture, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and blemishes. Now guys, I would advise that you use this maybe once per week or one time every 2 weeks. I've only used it once per month and I see changes. My advice is to use the instruction that comes with the products and you'll never go wrong. But I honestly just use it once per month, and guys, as you can see, I actually set my timer for 10 minutes. Everything that you see me do in this video, I will actually give myself a 10 minutes timer. Here I am again using the Idol soap just to get this chemical solution off my face, because I found out it is much easier to use a soap to get the products off. And then I'm going to go in again and use that towel to pat dry my face. And now I'm just steaming my face, and I set a 10-minute timer. I use my face steamer to open up my pores and prepare my skin for better product absorption. It is also good for softening and loosening debris and impurities. And by now guys, you realize that I am focusing on, removing impurities from my skin, and it's the reason why I'm doing this deep facial routine. I don't normally do this on a regular, but I do this once in a while just to purify my face.
Can push my ego out the way, let you know it'll be okay.
So here, I don't know what got into me. I decided to steam my nose with a little menthol crystal because I was having some sinus issue. Worst thing I ever done. I don't know who told me to do this. I don't know if that's why I'm feeling sick today, but guys, it almost knocked me for six. It almost took me out. You almost watch me on the camera kin over. Like, look on my face. One little crystal I put in there and I couldn't manage. Like, it clear up my nose, yes, it clear up the nose, but guys, this thing took me out.
I remember when you used to call for me. You sooner or later you would fall for me. It was so.
Guys, I started to contemplate my life decision. As what Perry and Tanania would say, you're too little bit enough. Too little bit enough. Look for me and cry, guys. Look there. I had to put the steamer aside. Never again. Learned my lesson. I'm alive. Back to the facial. Guys, if you have been following me for a while, you would have known that this Shea Moisture African Black Soap Clarifying Mud Mask is one of my favorite. I've been using it for years, and every time I have a breakout, this is what I turn to. Whenever I'm washing my hair, this is what I apply on my face. Guys, it has done wonders just by using it one time. As you can see, I am applying a generous amount of mask to my face, making sure to avoid the eyes and the lip area. I will leave it on for 10 minutes, but the product instruction would instruct you to leave it on between 10 to 15 minutes, and I chose to leave it on for 10. This mask is designed to clarify and balance your skin. It can help with deep cleansing, reducing excess oil, and improve skin texture. Guys, literally I cry. I use, like, I kid you not, I use one crystal, and I was like, I want to steam my nose, my face, like the nose area, and it just started burning my eyes. Like, it is so strong like this. It's really good. I already feel my nostril area clearing up. What I did, I left it to the side so that it can, fill the room with the aroma of the crystal, but it's clearing up. This is what I use on my face. I don't use them all together. Today is the first time putting everything together because I have time, and I was like, you know what, I want to give myself some love. I want to give my face some love, and I don't know how my face is going to react to all of this, but I think it's fine. The only thing I'm worried about is the fact that I use this along with my mask and the toner, which I don't think is a big issue because this is like a peeling solution. From I use it, never really peel my face, but I do see differences. So I don't know, maybe it's a thin layer come off and I'm not realizing. Yeah. So this is the only thing I'm concerned about, but differently from that, everything else can work together. It's fine, and yeah, I can't wait to see what my face look like and how my face react to all of this. Yeah, so yeah, this soap is what I use in between. So every time I put on something I need to get it off, I use this to clear it off because I want to get rid of it fully, especially this. I don't know, this is the only soap that works on my face. The only soap, like if my face is breaking out or anything and it doesn't bleach me, funny enough, it don't bleach me. Like, this is the only soap I use and it agree with my face, not even the black soap. So this, I would forever have one of this for my face, and I use this religiously. Not like every day, but I use it. Okay, so this, maybe you guys can try it. It's an idol soap, and it maybe like classified to our bleaching soap, but honestly it has never bleached me out. I never had two colors. Like, it just really get rid of my bumps. That's all. Not even the spots. The bump is, since I started using the Ordinary, I start seeing my spots getting lighter, and then this toner, yeah, since I started using those products, I start to see the little spots then getting lighter. So not this, but those stuff, and yeah, I see a better results after using this product, and I recommend them. Like Ordinary and these people, them need to sponsor me. Like we don't need to tag Ordinary and say you'll sponsor your girl V-La-Nessa, because V-La-Nessa have been putting you on the loop, and I'm doing this without sponsor. Like this will forever be my baby. I always say this will forever be my baby. Like honestly, like she must need to sponsor me because I have all of them product. Ordinary needs to sponsor me because I have all of them product. Like yeah. So I'm just gonna get back into the other video, wash off my face, and then just get this over with because I'm practically almost done. So yeah. So I'm basically repeating step 1 by using the Idol soap to break away this product so that I can cleanse my face from this product. As I said before, it helps in taking off the product off your face. So my next step is using this Good Molecules Niacinamide Brightening Toner. I'm going to soak a cotton pad with the toner and gently swipe it across my face. I allowed it to dry for a minute or 2. This toner is great for reducing redness, refining pores, and brightening my skin tone. Now I used to use the Witch Hazel toner, and I used it for years, and I didn't really see much improvement. But once I start using this, thanks to an app that I was using, I see a great difference, and I think I'm going to use this more often. Now I'm going to go in with this Hyaluronic Acid 2%. I'm going to apply a few drops of this serum to my face and gently pat it in. This helps to keep my skin plump and well hydrated by attracting and retaining moisture. Now I'm going to go in with the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% serum. I'm going to apply a few drops of this niacinamide serum and gently massage it into my skin. It's excellent for controlling excess oil and minimizing pores while improving overall skin texture. At this point, Ordinary need to sponsor me because the amount of time I'm showcasing their product, it is like free publicity for them. So you guys can tag them in the comments and say, hey, sponsor your girl. Now this is the Caffeine Solution 5%. I dab a small amount of Caffeine Solution under my eyes to target puffiness and dark circle. I gently pat it in using my finger to revitalize the delicate skin around my eyes. As said previously, this solution is designed to target under-eye puffiness and dark circle, helping to revitalize the delicate skin around your eyes. Now coming in with the last product for my face is the Natural Moisturizing Factor. I finish off my routine by applying this moisture to my face and neck. I gently massage it in, allowing it to absorb into my skin. It's essential for providing hydration and maintaining my skin natural barrier. Now I'm going to go in with my Vaseline Lip Therapy. I complete my routine by applying a small amount of Vaseline lip therapy to my lips to keep them moist and prevent them from chappiness and dryness. Well guys, you have come to the end of my facial routine. This is how my face look, and guys, I feel so renewed. Now get up and go do yourself a favor and get yourself a facial. You can do it from the comfort of your home, and just a disclaimer, I don't use this product every day. I may use it once per month, but based on my daily routine, these are some of the products that I use. Now, thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my other video. Bye!